Hi guys, and welcome to this Scooterino video tutorial. So first thing, you have to download our app. So please go on your Google Play Store, on your App Store, and download Scooterino. Once you downloaded the app, just start your sign-in process with the orange button on the bottom right corner. You can easily register yourself with Facebook or with your phone number. I'll choose my phone number. Just please check out your area code and insert your telephone number. Then press enter and just wait few seconds for your SMS with a special registration code of 4 digits. Once you receive your code, just insert that and press confirm. Insert your name, your surname, a valid email, and choose your own simple password. Then press confirm. If you have any, just insert your promo code, which in your case is YPR. That special code will give you a very special economic treatment. Choose a picture for your account and then press end.